Today we will know completely about Elon Reeve Musk.
Elon Musk, Mother May Musk, Father Errol Musk. He was born on June 28, 1971. Education.
Queen's University, University of Pennsylvania.
Occupation entrepreneur, industrial designer engineer. Companies Zip2 Corporation, PayPal, SpaceX, Tesla Motors. Who is Elon Musk? Elon Musk is a South African-born American entrepreneur and businessman who founded X.com in 1999, which later became PayPal, SpaceX in 2002 and Tesla Motors in 2003. Musk became a multimillionaire in his late 20s when he sold his startup company, Zip2, to a division of Compaq Computers. Musk made headlines in May 2012 when SpaceX launched a rocket that would send the first commercial vehicle to the International Space Station. He bolstered his portfolio with the purchase of SolarCity in 2016 and cemented his standing as a leader of industry by taking on an advisory role in the early days of President Donald Trump's administration. Recently, Elon Musk reportedly surpassed Jeff Bezos as the wealthiest man in the world. Elon Musk's childhood, his parents divorced when he was 10. Musk developed an interest in computers. Musk's mother, May Musk, is a Canadian model and the oldest woman to star in a CoverGirl campaign. When Musk was growing up, she worked 5 jobs at one point to support her family. Musk's father, Errol Musk, is a wealthy South African engineer. Musk spent his early childhood with his brother Kimball and sister Tosca in South Africa. His first company, Zip2 Corporation. In 1995 with his brother Kimball Musk.
An online city guide, Zip2 was soon providing content for the new websites of both the New York Times and the Chicago Tribune.
In 1999, a division of Compaq Computer Corporation bought Zip2 for $307 million in cash and $34 million in stock options. His second company, X.com, PayPal. In 1999, Elon and Kimball Musk used the money from their sale of Zip2 to found X.com, an online financial services payments company.
An X.com acquisition the following year led to the creation of PayPal as it is known today. In October 2002, Musk earned his first billion when PayPal was acquired by eBay for $1.5 billion in stock.
Before the sale, Musk owned 11% of PayPal stock. His third company, SpaceX. Musk founded his third company, Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, or SpaceX, in 2002 with the intention of building spacecraft for commercial space travel. By 2008, SpaceX was well established, and NASA awarded the company the contract to handle cargo transport for the International Space Station with plans for astronaut transport in the future in a move to replace NASA's own space shuttle missions.
And he was the CEO of Tesla Motors.
Elon Musk is the co-founder, CEO and product architect at Tesla Motors, a company formed in 2003 that is dedicated to producing affordable, mass-market electric cars as well as battery products and solar roof